Okay, welcome to today's tutorial. Welcome to today's tutorial. In the last class, we talked about the icons at the top side of the Pixellab. I talked about the icons at the top side and the upside of the Pixellab. So we're able to get familiar with every icon at the top that you see there. So just in case you are not part of that class, you can go back and watch the video. So that you can catch up. Today I'm going to be talking about the icons at the downside, the menus at the downside of the Pixellab. So the first, when you open your Pixellab, you're going to see something like this at the downside. This is where it normally appears. Now the first option you see there under the first icon, the first option you see there is my project. Now that option gives you access. It gives you access to your previous designs that you have done. Gives you access to your recent designs that you have done in your Pixellab. So if you click on it, it's going to show you a list of the recent designs that you have done in the Pixellab. So you just select any of it and it's going to open and you continue to work from where you stopped. So we have other options here. First, before I click on that, I want to save this. I want to save this design. Save as project. Put design. Okay. So the reason why they are showing this advert, they're showing this advert because this is not Pixellab premium version. So just in case you want to save that showing advert, this is not Pixellab premium version. So I don't want that. So the next option we have here, this the next option we have here is different styles for your document. Different styles to format your document, to format your canvas. Different templates. These are templates at the downside. This box, these are grid square designs you're seeing. These are different templates if you want to use. If I click on the default, this is the default template for Pixellab. That's why many tutorials you see, many videos you see on Pixellab is normally this background. This is the default template. So there are other presets. You can select this one, different presets are here. Different presets you can work with. Yes. So now I'm going to go back to my project. So I click on my project. Since I've already saved that one that I was working on, click on design to open. So apart from this first option here, apart from this first icon, the next icon is this A icon you are seeing here. I'm just getting us familiar with the interface of Pixellab. Yes. And on the other classes, we are going to proceed to doing how to design a flyer and how to do other things in Pixellab. So please like the video, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be updated about other classes that are coming up. So now click on the A icon. The A icon, the options you have there is the text option. Text, this is to add text, and quotes. In the last class we talked about quotes. There are different types of preset quotes in Pixellab. So now this A icon, this A menu, this is where we are able to it helps us to customize our text, anything text. If you have any write-up in your design, this A menu helps you to customize it. So when you click on A menu, after you click on a text, if you click on the background, you see that we are not having any option. But once you click on this Pixellab text here, now we don't have options. So the first option we have is styles, and the first one is to browse. So in browse, when you click on browse, you see default styles. These are preset styles. Then we have the next option is my styles. Now click on that styles. Now Reason why is two there. The first one is the Pixellab preset styles. Next ones are the styles that you have saved. So if you are formatting a text, if you are formatting a text, you created an effect, and then maybe something that will take you time to create it. The effect will take you time to create. After you're done, you can click on that text, click on styles, and save it so that you can use that preset later. You can easily apply it to another text, another design later. So the next option we have here is the edit option. When you click on your text, click on the A icon below at the bottom part of the screen. The next option you have is edit. Edit now is for you to change the content of your write-up. I told us in the last class that if you click on this icon at the top, this TT icon at the top, you either make it capital letters or small letters. The next one is to delete and then cancel. Click OK. So the next option we have is to delete. Pixellab is very easy to use. Pixellab is very easy and very easy, very light to use. So just stay with me in these classes, follow the classes. Either you're a beginner, you're just starting up with Pixellab, you're going to understand everything bit by bit. So the next option we have here, click on your text, click on the A icon at the bottom of the Pixellab interface. The next option we have is to delete. The next option we have is to duplicate. When you click on it, click on the copy option. You're going to duplicate your text like this. So I'm going to click on the delete option to delete that particular one. Then click on the text again so that the options will appear at the downside. So the next option we have is to front, to back. Now for us to see the effect of these two options, we need to insert another object or another layer. So let's say we bring in a shape like this. Then change the color of the shape. If you don't know how to change color of shape, you need to check our previous classes. I showed how to use gradient and one color on shapes. So don't click on good. So now you find out that this this shape is on top of the Pixel Lab class text. So we want the shape to be behind, and then let the text be on top of it. So I'll click on the text and go to front. Click it like twice or more than then. I move the text now. Find out that the text is now on top of it. The text is now on top of the shape. So just as it is like this now, if I go to the next option to back, I click on it, it will move it to the back. So that's how these two option works. There's nothing strange there. So I'm going to undo all this. Then click on the text again. The next option we have there is position. Position. So use this one to move your text around your document. Move your text around your document. Right side works. Up, down, right, left. That's it. You want to increase um, the movement volume. The distance it can move at a particular click. The distance it will move on a click. So this is how it is. So I'm not going to apply these changes. The next option we have is relative position. Relative position is used for alignment. If you want to align your text to the center, if you want to align your text to the right, to the left, this is what you use. You want to align it to the right, you want to align it to the left, you want to align it to the bottom center left. This is bottom left. This is up left or top left. So these are all the alignments we have here. So depending on the position of the text, when you're done, you click good, or if you don't want the changes, click bad. You don't want the changes. So next option we have is the size icon. And then note that if you are clicking in the background or you are clicking on a shape, you will not see those options. So the A icon is used to format text. This A icon, this A menu at the downside is used to format text, not shape. So click on the text, then you see the options. The next option you have is size. Increase the size of your text. Increase it like this. Increase it like this. So I'll leave it like this. Leave it like this. And when I'm done, click good. Next option we have is padding. You have left padding, you have right padding. If you want to move your text like this, pad it like this. You see, you are done. You click good or bad. So I'll just click good. The next option we have is color. You want to color your text. If you want to use, there's option for one color and then graded. One, if you click on the color, it's just you just apply only one color. You just apply only one color to your text. If you click on gradient, you have multiple. You have option to apply more than one color to your text. So I'll click on gradient. Then you have preset colors here. You can select anyone. But if you don't want the particular preset that is here, you can click on the plus icon to create your own gradient. I talked about that in the previous class. So you can go and watch the video for you to know more on how to work with it. So you have two sliders. The first slider is for the red color. Second slider at this right hand side at the down rectangle, this thing is the right slider. Click on it, you can change the color. Done, click OK. Click good. The next option we have to format our text is texture. So is this option you can also use to insert if you have a texture in your this in yeah, and click on this icon there. So from here you can insert a textured background, or you can easily insert an image that you want to use as your color fill. So it's going to enter like that. So the next option you have is opacity. That is the visibility of your text. You don't want your text to be very visible. Can you reduce it from here, the opacity, or increase it from here? So that's it. You click good. Next option you have is rotate. So you want to rotate, you can rotate your text from here. You can rotate your text from here. Click good when you are okay with it. Or click bad to remove the changes. Next option you have is to max. To max. And you want to cut particular part of your text or to cut it out. You can use that option. Then you adjust the notes the way you want. When you're done, you click good. Yeah, it's going to be like so. This is it. You have cut out that part of the text. I'm going to undo it. Then click on the text again. Go to and look for the next option. Next option is the font. You can change the font size from here. Click OK. So from this font, you can change the font style. In future class, I'll show you how to change how to I'll show you how to download fonts and install it. So we are going to continue. Next option we have is the bold style. Next option we have is the bold style. Click on the bold. You have option to make it bold, make your text slanty, or to underline it, or to cancel all the effects. That's it there. So when you're done, click good or bad. Now click bad option. Next option we have is after the font we have style. This under the style you can choose to make your text bold and slanty or to underline it. The next option you have is the curve option. You want to curve your text. You want it to be something like this. Maybe you have a round shape around. You want it to be around a circle shape. You can use this option for it. When you're done, you can click good to apply the changes or the bad icon if you don't need it. Next option we have is the background. To add background to the back of your text. So if you want to use one color, you click on color. If you want to use more than one color, you click on gradient and you select it. So I'm not going to use it. Next option we have is to align. Next option we have is to align your text either to the center, the left, or you want it to be justified. So just in case you have more than one write-up like this, let me just inserting many write-up. Click OK. So you see the way this write-up is now. See the way it is now. Like this now, the alignment is right. It's left alignment. If you want to make it the text to be centralized, click on this. Want it right like this. Want to justify, also click. When you're done, click either bad or good. So click the bad. I don't want the changes. I want to do it. Just need a single text in design. The next one is the spacing. Spacing in between each letters of your write-up or your text. Spacing in between each letters. But if you have more than one word, you have option for letters, you have option for word. So if you want it to be spacing in between each words as you type, so you select the one you want. If it's in between each letters or in between each word, the spacing. I'll click bad. I don't want the changes. Next one is the spacing in between each lines. So I'm just going to write more text. Part 2. Click OK. So the spacing in between these two texts, the spacing in between them, that's this other option. So I'll move. The next one is stroke. Stroke is if you want to add outline to your text, outline like this. You use this one. Choose the stroke width at the downside. Then click gold when you're done. Make sure you enable it so that you can start applying the changes. Enable. You're done. Click on the good or the bad option if you don't want the changes. Next one is shadow. Enable it, then choose the color of the shadow, choose the opacity, choose the blurry. If you want the shadow to be blurry, and make it blurry. If you want the shadow to have a glow effect, you select it. When you're done with your desired, when you're done, when you're okay with it, you click the good icon or the bad icon if you don't want the changes. Next option you have is inner shadow. You want your shadow to have your text to have shadow inside. Maybe um this black shadow inside, green shadow inside. Select if you want the shadow to be blurry, and then when you're done, when you're okay, click good or click bad icon. Yeah, I click the bad. I don't want the changes. Next option we have. Next option we have is the emboss. Emboss option. It's another kind of effect in your text. Choose the intensity, the light option, the hardness, and then the bevel option. When you're done with what you want to do, you're okay. When you're okay with the changes, you can click the good. If you're not okay, you can click the bad icon or you adjust it. You can click the bad icon. Next option we have is perspective. You want to create perspective in your text, you enable it, then you can start. See how perspective is. You want to do something like this, use the perspective option. You're done, click good. Um, Undo it. Next option you have is 3D rotate option. See this kind of thing, want to see this kind of effect. So that's it. You can just play with that. So next option we have is 3D text. Enable it, then you create You increase the depth or you reduce it, darken. You just play with it. You have perspective, you have oblique. Yeah, oblique is. So you just play with these options there and see what you can get. In other classes, we are going to talk about how to create a very nice 3D text. So, but for this class, I'm just showing you how the available options. I'm going to show you how to do a 3D text, very nice 3D text in other classes I'm going to do. So, next option I have is 3D shadow. You enable it, I have this kind of shadow. See how it is? 3D shadow. Okay. So, the next option we have, and the last option to format our text is reflection. Enable it. So you can easily create a reflection for your text like this. That's it. So thank you for watching the video. This is Emmacom Studio. So make sure you subscribe so that you can get more tutorial videos on Pixellab, on Photoshop, on CorelDRAW, and on Canva. So you can like the video, share. If you have any question, and drop it in the comment section. If you want me to organize a particular class, specific class, maybe I've been using Pixellab and you want me to do a class to show you a specific effect or a specific thing in Pixellab or Canva or Photoshop or CorelDRAW, you just let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.